How to delete or close MetaMask account permanently. If you want to delete or close MetaMask account permanently, it's actually quite a very simple task. Now, for this, first of all, if I open up MetaMask, there are many tutorials on YouTube that is claiming that it will delete your account or delete your wallet in that case. But unfortunately, that is not the case with MetaMask wallet. If we actually go to the official help section or an article from MetaMask themselves, it is first of all important for us to understand the nature of a blockchain. They also say us that due to the nature of blockchain, users cannot permanently delete an account on the Ethereum network. If you no longer want to use MetaMask, simply uninstall. As we don't store any user data whatsoever, there is no account to delete. Your Ethereum address is a permanent on the blockchain and can simply be forgotten or abandoned if you like. So this is one of the thing on how it basically works. MetaMask themselves does not store the data, and you cannot also permanently delete an account that is on Ethereum network. And as long as Ethereum exists, then your data will also exist in that case, which means your address will exist. So if you want to delete it, the only thing that you can do is simply withdraw anything that you have over there, any asset, and to simply abandon the wallet and completely uninstall it. If you do not want to use it, you can also get rid of the recovery phrase that you have, but I would not recommend that anytime you might need in the future. But simply put, due to the nature of the blockchain, you just cannot permanently delete an account. And I hope that this video pretty much helped you understand what this basically means. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.